Hello and welcome to Stokes Brown Toyota in Hilton Head, South Carolina. My name is Hugh Golden, and I have the privilege today to speak to you about some of our fine Toyota products at Stokes Brown Toyota in Hilton Head, South Carolina. I want to focus your attention on the 2010 Toyota Camry, the #1 selling automobile in the United States of America. This vehicle is proudly built in Georgetown, Kentucky by many of our over 200,000 employed workers in the United States by Toyota. Now, at Toyota, we have a commitment to you, our customer, to give you the finest automobile in the industry. We back that up with our Toyota emblem, and I'd like to explain our Toyota emblem to you. Our Toyota emblem embodies 3 ellipses, so 3 circles that are intertwined and connected to each other. The outside ellipsis represents our company, Toyota. This ellipsis represents the product, the 2010 Toyota Camry, and this most important ellipsis represents you, the customer. Our never-ending, intertwined connection between our company, the product, and you, the customer. Now, we spend research and development dollars to ensure we get you the best vehicle in the automotive industry. In fact, at Toyota, we spend $1 million an hour, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year on research and development. When it comes to that money, that gets us advanced technologies. And I'd like to talk to you about some of our specific advanced technologies in our Toyota products. In the engine, we use the latest engine design, double overhead cam. We use 4 valves per cylinder, and we have a system called dual independent variable valve timing plus intelligence that's going to give you, the customer, the better benefit of better performance, more horsepower and torque, better fuel economy. This vehicle has class-leading fuel economy and emissions ratings. Now, emissions ratings means less environmental impact. So 3 very important benefits to you and your ownership of this 2010 Toyota Camry. Now, all of our powertrains, from our 2.5-liter 4-cylinder to our 3.5-liter V6 and our hybrid synergy drive system in this Camry, are all predicated on great ownership for you. So more horsepower, more fuel economy, and better emissions ratings. Now, that's all important, but one of the most important philosophical tenets of our company is your safety. And I want to talk to you about this Camry's safety from the asphalt, from the ground up. Now, on all Toyota products, we have wheels that are specially designed and certified to have a design that's going to keep that tire connected to this wheel in the event of a catastrophic loss of air. So if you're driving along on a freeway and you run over some debris and you cut a tire down, this wheel is designed to keep that tire connected to the wheel so you can safely get out of flow of traffic and park on the side of the road and change your tire. Now, in addition to that technology, we offer standard on every 2010 Toyota TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. That alerts you when you have a low tire pressure, which is going to get you better fuel economy and also keep you safer because your tires will be inflated properly. Now, when it comes to safety, we have 2 types of safety. We have passive and active. I'd like to highlight our active safety system, our STAR safety system. We have 5 components in our STAR safety system. We have ABS, brake assist, EBD, track, and VSC. Now, independently, those all work ideally, but as a group, they work sensationally. So ABS, anti-lock brake system, gives you, the customer, the ability to brake and steer. Brake assist ensures in a quick panic application, when you're surprised, you can hit the brake pedal, and we will ensure you get all your braking capability with a panic application, and we're going to stop this car quickly and help avoid an accident. Now, EBD, electronic brake force distribution, that distributes brake force front to back and side to side to each wheel individually, so we know this Camry is going to stay very controlled under a quick braking application and help you avoid an accident. Traction control helps on a rainy morning or an icy morning. When we get a slipping wheel, we brake that slipping wheel and transfer power to the gripping wheel, so you stay controlled under acceleration. Now, VSC, the final element of our STAR safety system, is probably the most important aspect. VSC is standard as part of that STAR safety on every Camry. VSC is certified as the 2nd most important safety feature by the federal government. In fact, VSC is more important than airbags because it helps keep you out of the accident. It follows only seat belts in the safety department. Vehicle stability control uses all of these star safety components to keep the vehicle on the driver's intended path. So you drive in a very severe controlled situation. If this vehicle gets into a severe oversteer or understeer, it will keep the vehicle on the driver's intended path. So star safety is actively helping the driver avoid accidents. Now, sometimes you can avoid an accident. In that case, we've got a very strong and rigid body construction. We also have 7 standard airbags in every 2010 Toyota Camry. We have dual stage, dual front airbags. We have seat-mounted side airbags. We have full 2-row curtain airbag protection. And finally, we lead the industry with a driver's knee airbag. 7 airbags for your protection. Now, on the interior, we want to keep you and your family safe, but we also want you to be comfortable. So I'd like to invite you to step inside the interior of our 2010 Camry, and let me explain some of our unique and advanced technologies in our Camry. So welcome to the 2010 Camry. Once inside our Camry, you're going to notice how large the interior is, how well it's fit and finished, high quality materials. We have some unique ergonomically designed components in our 2010 Camry, like all Toyota vehicles, and I want to highlight 3 of our unique attributes. Our HVAC system, our heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system, is very easy to operate. 3 large dials, so it's ergonomically correct for the driver or the passenger to access. Now, unlike many of our competitors, we actually have independent stalks for our cruise control and our windshield wipers. In fact, our cruise control is used a minority of your driving experience, so we give it its own stalk so it doesn't clutter the windshield wiper stalk. Very easily seen and accessed on the lower right of the steering wheel, it allows the driver complete control over this vehicle when in cruise control mode. Now, since there's less clutter on the windshield wiper, it's simpler to use. You just bring it down to operate it, up to turn it off, push it in to access your windshield cleaner. So, a lot of unique and very specifically ergonomically correct systems in this vehicle. You'll see the high quality materials, the ease of use with the cup holders placed in the proper area, and then the fit and finish. Allow me to step back outside the vehicle and highlight some more fit and finishes on this vehicle. Like all Toyotas, this 2010 Camry makes a solid sound when you close the door. That's ensuring that we're giving you the safest, most practical, and comfortable ride. The gap seams are all very uniform. We're very proud of the build of this vehicle in Georgetown, Kentucky. Now, we go as far as even including felt in the rear wheel well. So, for less noise, vibration, and harshness, and for a more comfortable ride, we put felt in the wheel well. That quiets it down. It's a very clear indication of our commitment to quality, durability, and reliability, as well as ease of use for you. Now, as we step to the back of the vehicle, ease of use is important in ownership of any product. I want to highlight the large trunk that's in every 2010 Camry. We've got a lot of room for any type of gear your family might have. We've got some nice features like a very easy to release second row seating position from the trunk. So you just pop that and you're unlocked your second row seat. Now, when it comes to the rear of the vehicle, there's more safety to be talked about here as well. We use LED rear tail lights and brake lights. So, low light emitting diode means a quicker illumination. It means more crisp illumination. And finally, that takes us back to where we started. This Toyota emblem and our commitment as a company to this product, the 2010 Camry, and the end beneficiary, you, our customer. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our 2010 Camry. I'd invite you to come visit us at Stokes Brown Toyota in Hilton Head, South Carolina, or visit us online at www.stokesbrowntoyotahh.com. Thank you for allowing me to introduce you to our 2010 Toyota Camry.